Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on theater mode in our modes and routines in Samsung Galaxy A55 phone. First we need to go to settings and here are our modes. When we open our modes, the theater mode is right here. These are default modes. We can change whatever we need from here. For example, theater mode. Let's start. We can set up our timer, for example, how long is the film, etc., etc. Ask every time or until we turn it off. Next, do we want do not disturb? Yes, let's say we want. And here we can customize our do not disturb more. Done. Next. Also, we can change whatever we need here. Let's say dark mode. Yes, please. Done. And now, as you can see, our theater mode is set up. We can turn it on. It's working. Turn off. Works as well. So, I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.